Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Fusion Mesh Office Chair features an ergonomically designed chair that combines style with simplicity. The contoured backrest features a flexible and breathable mesh that provides vital support and allows air to flow freely while user is seated. Fitted with a comfortable cushioned seat pad upholstered in air mesh fabric. The waterfall-shaped seat helps ease pressure on the thighs, aiding circulation, and the flip-up padded arms allow clear access to your desk or workstation. The twin paddle mechanism offers both gas seat height adjustment and a multi-locking tilt function. The lever on the right-hand side lets you adjust the seat height. The lever on the left operates the lockable tilt. Press it down to lock the back at the desired angle and lift it up to allow the back to float freely. The weight tension controller can be adjusted to suit the user's body weight. Fitted with durable Easy Glide twin wheel casters. Supplied in 4 matching mesh and air mesh colour options with a contrasting modern and stylish white finished frame and base. The gas lift is TUV and BIFMA tested and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. The seat pad is fire retardant to British standard BS 5852. The Fusion chair includes a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours per day use. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.